She was alive when I left the house. I hitched the lift. It was a good car. It was big. It was practically brand new. The driver was in his 30s. He was wearing a dark overcoat and a striped shirt. And I saw the cuff. It was striped like pajamas. I'm sorry, am I boring you, Father?
If you had a name...
I didn't ask his name. I didn't know I'd be needing it.
All your life, you've courted trouble and never faced any consequences. But you have to face the consequences now, Jack. You have to.
I didn't kill her.
Please find that man. Find that man. He can prove it.
I didn't do it.
Perfect match. And that's the last twist of the knife, Jack. Your refusal to admit what you've done. It was you. Your fingerprints mixed with your mother's blood. No one else's. Yours, Jack.